Welcome, our esteemed viewers. Uh, Today we shall look at the African family structure. The important question of today is the African family structure broken or evolving? Let us first take a brief flashback at where we came from. In the traditional African family model, uh, families operated in an extended manner. There was no child who grew up with a single parent. There was no nuclear family that was detached from the rest of the clan. It took a full community to raise a child, not just a few parents like a father or a mother. And the same applied to adulthood. No single adult carried their burdens singly. So the important question is, to what extent have we kept that? And what could be the ways forward? Because when you look back to the past, you'll find out that due to the influence of colonialism, uh, Western education, Western capitalism, a lot has been changed, resulting in identity confusion, single parenting, loss of cultural guidance, reduced community support because people move away from their clans, they have to live in towns. Parents are very busy working, they leave their children under the guidance of maids. Others simply take the child to school and hope that the teachers will do everything to do with the reshaping of the child. Nobody in particular is to be blamed for this. But the important question is, shall the Africans of today adopt a new model which can reshape Africa, or shall we leave it in the hands of other foreign customs? If we develop our own ways of addressing family issues, one that balances between tradition and modernity, culture and innovation, community and individual growth, then we shall not only survive, but we shall actually thrive. We shall prosper and become stronger and more powerful. However, if we fold our hands and we hope that we shall go with wherever the world is taking us, no one is going to do it for us. No one is going to recreate the modern Africa for us. Instead, their cultures will simply sweep through ours and leave us into extinction, cultural extinction. We shall be Africans by appearance and by geography, but not by identity. This is a matter of crucial concern. So, everyone needs to take this into consideration. Matters such as social media, the internet is there helping, the circles, community gatherings are still in place at the moment, and these are helping to reconnect families across different locations, across borders, and these are crucial. It is actually of the good that Africans are trying to adapt to the modern fashion. But in this context, we shouldn't forget that the African model does not function independently, rather communally. Thank you.